Hi folks, this is a tutorial on your Thermo King cap command. That is one of the newer generation cap commands that is being used right now on a V-320. It was used before on a V-520RT units, and we're going to show you how to properly use this cap command and how to set the temperature. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the ignition. What we'll do is it goes into a self-diagnostic mode, and as you can see, it's saying check, so it's checking the system, and once that is over, the unit will actually go back to off mode. And this light here, there's a green background light that actually always illuminates. Everything else is dark. So we'll go ahead, and while the engine's running, we'll go ahead and turn this on, and as you can see, there's a little wrench. It just needs to be serviced. That's what that is telling us. Here it is giving us the live temperature of the box, 62 degrees. There's a temperature, and you saw the little arrow, green arrow. That green arrow indicates when it goes solid, that means your compressor is pulling down or your compressor is on. And now that light went solid, that means that the compressor is starting to pull down, and you will see that your temperature, which right now is 62 degrees, will start dropping down. Now, depending on the capability of your box, the size of your box, and what your unit can do, you can set a set point, and usually that is done by moving these arrows. This here is basically that's will cycle through the different menus. So to cycle through the menu, we're going to go ahead and press this button here. It's telling us the defrost off. That's the defrost mode is off. You can manually initiate defrost mode. Then you press it again, and it will go to the next menu, which is your SP stands for set point. So it's set at 34 degrees Fahrenheit. You can change that by just simply pressing the arrow down. Now, that's not enough. Once you've arrived at your desired temperature, this is the enter. So you have to enter to make this the new set point. If you don't enter, it would just revert back to the old temperature of 34 degrees, whatever it was set at. Now, it's very important to set your temperature depending on the capability of your box and your installation. So you want your unit to properly cycle and achieve the temperatures and cycle properly. So as you can see now, our temperature is down from 62 to 60, and it's just going to keep pulling down to 28 degrees. Once it reaches 28 degrees, it will stop, and it's as simple as that. I'm going to go ahead and set it back to 34, and that was your tutorial. Look for other links and other tutorials. Thank you.